Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be learning how to open several email addresses without using phone number or password or verification codes. So let's learn how to open different email accounts without using those things I just mentioned. So if you are looking for that, you're in the right video. Without wasting much time, we'll get into the process of getting all those things done. So just go ahead to your Play Store, your App Store, doesn't matter what application you're using. I'm using an iPhone right now. Go ahead to my App Store. I'm going to search here for temp mail. So this is the name of the application we're using here in temp mail. So I'm going to go ahead to get this mail and try to install this. So you can see that. So once I'm done installing this time, I'm going to download the app. It's very light, 9 MB, or you can go ahead to use their website version. So this is a very important app, or very fast or sharp way of getting numerous emails without actually verification code or whatever. So like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let's still get to the process. Let me show you how to get this stuff done. I'll punish you. So I'm done downloading the application. I'll go ahead to open the application. I can see, you can click here on allow app to track and whatever. So you can see the first mail is ready, and this mail here is firstmail562@gmail.com. So if you want to use this, you can go ahead to just click on copy to clipboard and use it to create whatever account you have. So you can see this is one account here, or you can go ahead to so once you're done with whatever you're using it to do, you always get an inbox telling you yes, you've used the account for this or you've used the account for that. And you can see the email. You can go ahead to create a new email address and name it whatever I want to name it. For example, dontech@this.com. So I'm going to create a new email address, and I'm going to use this email right now. So I can come back here to see I have all the emails right here. So you can see I'm seeing this here, 2 emails. You can go ahead to create as many emails as you want, and you get all this email address working perfectly, and you can be getting messages from them once you click on them, and you can see the messages there. So this is a very sharp method that can work for you to give you numerous email addresses without you opening accounts or whatever. So this works so well. If you found this video very useful, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye for now.